Okay, hello my fellow student. Today we are kind of doing class through video, which is fun. So the first thing that we're going to do is set up our ISN. So what you can do while this video is playing is kind of stop and play as you set up your ISN and as you move throughout this video. So I need you to take out your ISN, and I need you to have all the papers that you picked up at the start of class on your desk. Now, if you didn't pick up those papers, I need you to pause this video, and you need to go pick them up at the front table right now. If you do have them all there, great. Open up to a new page in your ISN, and you're going to title it Essay Unit. And then you're going to turn the page, and the first paper you're going to tape in is the parts of an essay. So on the top it says parts of an essay, and it kind of has those boxes that have lines in them, and it has introduction paragraph, body paragraphs, conclusion paragraphs, and it looks like a chart, and it has those arrows pointed down. So it's called parts of an essay, and you're going to take that and you're just going to tape it in there. Then you are going to go to the next page, and you're going to put in essay introduction. So at the very top in small writing, in bold and it's underlined, it'll say essay introductions. So you're going to tape that in on the next page. Again, if I'm moving too fast, just pause the video and go at your own pace. But I am doing this along with you as I record this video. But anytime you can pause and go as you please. Alright, so now I'm going to turn the next page, and it's going to be essay conclusions. So same thing, it's bold and underlined, and you're going to tape in essay conclusions. And then the next one is in-text citation cheat sheet. So find the one that says in-text citation cheat sheet. I'm going to tape that in as well. Okay. Then the last one is the pink sheet. And you're going to fold it in half, hamburger-wise, so horizontal. Just like we always do with these big ones. And then you're just going to put a piece of tape at the top of the paper so that you can still flip it over when you need to. I'm going to flip it around and then put a tape on the back side as well. But you just do it so that you can still flip the sheet of paper over. Okay? Okay. So that was our ISN setup. Again, if you need to go back and watch it again, or if you need to take your time, you can do that as well. But the order is parts of an essay, essay introductions, essay conclusions, in-text citation sheet, and then the figurative language sheet you fold in half and put it at the top. Alright, so once you finish with that, you're going to keep out your ISN and you're going to move to the next video. So the next video is going to walk you through the bulk of the lesson, which is on figurative language. You're going to learn all about figurative language, so you can have your notes out so that you can reference your notes when you need to. Good job, guys.